graph y equals 1/3 x plus 1 times x minus 3. Identify the x-intercept, axis of a symmetry, and the vertex. Well, this is what? This is called the intercept form. So far we've learned y is ax squared plus bx plus c. This is called the standard form. And then we've learned y is a times x minus p times x minus q. This is called the intercept form. And then we've learned y that is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. This is called the vertex form. So you know what, as you study, you should be able to write this down and identify the key factors for each form. Now we will be doing this. Now here, when a is greater than 0, that applies to all three questions. When a is greater than 0, it's a U-shaped. When a is less than 0, it's upside down U-shape. Now then, what's good about the x-intercept form? Because as you draw the graph, let's draw it. Now in this question, we have y is 1/3 x plus 1 x minus 3. By setting this equal to 0, 1/3 x plus 1 x minus 3, we know that x is either -1 or x is equal to 3. So we know that it's passing through -1 and 3, and we know the shape. The shape is, since a is greater than 0, where a is 1/3, it's a U-shaped. So the graph will somewhat look like this. So our job is to figure out the axis of a symmetry. Axis of a symmetry is, since this is a symmetric graph, you cut this in half. That will be your axis of a symmetry. This, you will be able to get it by finding the average of 2. So that's 2/2, that's 1. So it's actually, here is the 1. So x is equal to 1. So we just found x-intercept, which is -1 and 3. And the axis of a symmetry, x is equal to 1. To find the vertex, you know what? You have to plug in the number. So y of 1, that is 1/3, 1 plus 1, and 1 minus 3. So that's 1/3 times 2 times -2. So that's -4/3. So this point right here, when x is equal to 1, that's 1 comma -4/3. So the vertex will be 1 comma -4/3. So where is -4/3? That's -1, -2. Well, -4/3 is slightly greater than -1. That's -3/3 plus -1/3. So -1 minus 1/3, right? That's a 3, and that's -1. That's x equal to 1. So this is your axis of a symmetry. And you know the vertex. So the graph will be drawn this way. So here, we're not trying to get the precise graph. We just want to graph it with the key points. That is like x-intercept, axis of a symmetry, and the vertex. And this will be good enough.